So u asterisk of x minus xi times f of x minus f asterisk of x minus xi times u of x times from x equal 0 to x equal L minus u of xi plus integral from 0 to L p of x u asterisk of x minus xi equal to 0. So this is the integral equation, and I can choose xi at any time. For example, let us say use xi equal to 0. So we'll have u asterisk of x minus 0 times f of x minus f asterisk of x minus 0 times u of x here is when x equals 0 and x equal L minus u of 0 plus integral from 0 to L p of x times u asterisk of x minus 0, which is xi 0 equal to 0. So let us see what is the known and unknown. Before seeing what is the known and unknown, we will resolve this one. So we'll have from here u asterisk of L, I'm substituting with upper point, minus 0 times f of L minus f asterisk of x minus 0 times u of L minus, this is upper power limit and the lower limit, which is the same, x of x, which is L. I'm worried about the time, that's all. U asterisk of the lower bound of 0 minus 0 times f of 0 minus f asterisk of 0 minus 0 times u of 0. So this is this part when we substitute with x equal to the upper bound, and this part we substitute with x equal to the lower bound, minus this minus is this minus, u of 0 plus integral from 0 to L p of x times u asterisk of x minus 0 equal to 0. So to see what is the known and what is unknown, if we look at example 1 of our beam, we have our beam like this, and we have this point. We have u of 0 equal to 0 and u of L equal to 1, if you remember in example 1. So here, this always, all fundamental solutions are known, is not a problem at all. When we have 0 minus 0, we can get them in the limit sense. See where is xi is moving towards x. You'll get something positive or negative or something like that. F of L is known or not? No. F of L is not known. And F of 0 is not known also. So this one is unknown.
Professor?
Yes.
Yeah. I guess maybe the second F star inside the X should be L.
Is the second F star this one?
Yeah.
This one?
I cannot see the mouse.
This part you mean?
Before the front.
This one?
Top one?
This one? This part?
No, I think can. Wow. You cannot. Just how to say the first line, the second.
The second one. Yes.
Yeah. No. The 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth line.
The fourth line. This one. Okay. This one.
Unknown. The before. The third. So.
Okay.
The third one. Yeah.
Okay.
The second. The F star.
Okay.
Inside you have the X. Maybe
this one is L.
The F.
This one is
Yeah,
L.
yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Then
You are right.
correct. Okay.
You
Yeah,
are
yeah.
right. You
Yeah,
are right.
okay.
So
Yeah.
thank you, Professor. Okay.
Yeah,
So
please,
this one is
yeah.
unknown. F of 0 is unknown still also. And U of 0 is known and is equal to 0. And U of L is known and is equal to 1. And U of 0 is 0. Okay. So you will end up this integral equation. You have two unknowns, F of L and F of 0. Okay. So we need another integral equation. The other integral equation you will use at xi equal L, for example. Okay, when you write the equation for xi equal L, you will have U asterisk of x minus L times f of x minus f asterisk of x minus L times U of x between x equals 0 and x equal to L. So here I used xi here is equal to L, okay, minus U of L plus, plus integral from 0 to L P of x U asterisk of x minus L equal to 0.